just received the delivery. Courier's just been and he's dropped this off. So let's unwrap it and see what we got. Okay, turn it, rig it. You're going to put the nuts on. Is there any washers that came with it? No. Now here we've got a comparison between the standard system and the Redback one. So we've got a before and an after.
You can go in more though.
Huh?
You can go in more or not?
Here we go, we've got the exhaust all fitted up. High flow cat. That's just a sticker that was on there, which is very annoying. It just doesn't come off. I'm pretty sure that'll just burn off. And here we've got the Redback main muffler. And that's connected with the clamp there. We have used the original mounting bracket from the original muffler. We have used brand new rubbers all the way along. It runs up over the diff there. And there's another sticker, or what's left of one. And there's the back muffler all tucked away. And again, a new rubber. And we've also got a brand new rubber up there. And we've also used an SAAS exhaust tip for BA Falcon, which fits perfectly into the space on the EL. And I think it looks quite nice. And that is literally just an interference fit. It just pushes on there. What I've done, I've cut these slots out with a grinder. and then just pushed it on. It was that easy. And it's just staying there. If you're really concerned, you could put a clamp around that, or you could just put a tack weld in here. I'm not going to bother doing any of those things at this stage. I'm just going to leave it. So now it's time to drop the car down onto the ground and take a test drive and see what it sounds like.